On the way to Cheonjiyeon Waterfalls on my noble steed, Daphne. Go, Daphne, go! Go, 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 go! Good times. Woohoo! No hands. Go, Daphne, it's your birthday. Go, Daphne, it's your birthday. Go, Daphne. God damn, it's hard on the hills. It is hard going uphill on this bad boy. Let's try and pick up some speed. I feel like going fast. Come on, Daphne, let's do this. Those wheels are smoking. Somewhere to pick up some grub. Where can I find some food? I think I'm heading in the right direction. You can never quite be sure in South Korea. Come on, Daphne. Don't give up on me now. Come on, Daphne. Get up this hill. People are looking like, what the f is this guy? Cheonjiyeon Falls, 300 meters. I'm at the start of Cheonjiyeon Waterfall, and behind me is the beautiful harbour. It's around about 15 minutes walk to the falls, so let's get it. So the entrance for Cheonjiyeon is 2,001, and because it's so cheap I feel like I've won already. 2,001 converts to roughly around about $1.75. Now this is the Dol Hareubang, and in the dialect of Jeju Island it means the stone grandfather. It was placed outside the gate for protection against demons travelling between realities. Now these must be the rather festive stone grandfathers, getting dressed up for the Christmas season. So Cheonjiyeon Falls are 22 meters high and 12 meters wide, and the pool that the falls drop into is 20 meters deep. Now this area is really steeped in mystery. Legend has it that a dragon used to live at the base of the falls, and during times of drought the local people would pray to this dragon, and their prayers were always answered. Imagine that, a badass dragon answering your prayers. behind me is the waterfall lit up at night. It is absolutely fantastic. So amazing. This is one of the best experiences I've had near a waterfall. The nighttime waterfall. That place is lit. Waterfalls in general are really superb landscapes to go visit. There really are few things more amazing in this world than waterfalls. And a waterfall at night is, wow, it is just very hard to beat. My stoke level is just absolutely through the roof. Wow, bucket list stuff. And set those lights up behind the waterfall. It's really a spectacular falls and quite an exciting concept, the fact that they're lighting up certain waterfalls. I've heard this happening in Niagara Falls, where they have these multicolour lights at night, and I mean, not at all the falls, but I think it could certainly be something quite interesting in the future. And you know, we could actually see a lot of these waterfalls of the world in a completely different way at night time with special lighting, and it's something I'm interested myself to really tackle, is to paint light onto waterfalls using torches and things like that. So yeah, getting some stars in there as well. So the sky's the limit really with the creative options there are available for waterfall photography. There is definitely no universe that I am not coming back here tomorrow night to experience this for the second time. Brilliant. Well, I managed to shoot some really moody shots of the waterfall at night and in the late afternoon as well. Boom! I really want to swear at how epic this falls is, but I want to keep this video child friendly. Wow, the first waterfall in Korea certainly didn't disappoint. It was quite brilliant during the day and even more spectacular at night time, lit up. Wow. South Korea off to an absolute blinder with its waterfalls. You wouldn't have expected it, but it really has delivered. That's all for now, people. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!